Hi guys, my name is Michael. I work for Galencia. I'm the team leader for after sales maintenance team. We are done with our painting job. We remove masking tapes, the drop sheets, and clean up the floor and put back the property for the client the way it was. We are still continuing with our work. This is our carpenter doing his carpentry job. Now we are done to fix everything we were supposed to fix according to client. We go through with the client to be sure the client is happy before we leave. That's our motto.